In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly use Asana 2025, step by step. We'll walk through setting up a clean project, organizing tasks, customizing your workflow, and then reviewing and optimizing so everything stays on track. Start by creating a new project. You can begin with a blank project if you want full control and a chance to learn the system, or choose a template tailored to a specific workflow to save time. Give your project a clear, descriptive name so it's searchable later. Before you dive in, set privacy and team settings. Decide who can see and edit the work. In the project overview, add your roles, goals, and key resources. This page is your home base. Think of it as the handbook for anyone joining the project so they understand purpose, responsibilities, and where to find important documents. Next, add and organize tasks. Create action-oriented tasks that each represent a single piece of work. Open the task details to add a concise description, assign it to the right person, and set a realistic due date. Group tasks with sections like to do, in progress, and completed, or organize by category if that better fits your process. When a task is too big, break it down into subtasks to make progress more measurable and to reduce bottlenecks. Now customize and manage your workflow. Pick the view that best matches how you think. List for a structured checklist, board for moving work across stages, timeline for understanding dependencies and schedules, and calendar to visualize upcoming deadlines. Add custom fields to track what matters, such as priority, effort, or any numeric value you need for reporting. If you have access to premium features, set dependencies so that when one task shifts, related due dates update automatically. Keep communication inside tasks using comments so decisions and context stay with the work. And when you've built a project that works well, save it as a template to reuse the structure across future projects. Finally, review and optimize. Make My Tasks your daily command center for everything assigned to you, and sort or filter it so the most important work stands out. Connect Asana with tools you already use like Microsoft Teams to centralize updates and cut down on context switching. Use automation to handle repetitive actions, things like assigning tasks, moving them between sections, or updating fields, so you spend more time on actual work. Color code projects to quickly scan and recognize categories at a glance. Follow these steps, refine as you go, and Asana will become a reliable system that keeps your team aligned and your projects moving forward.